So, I need to send this skateboard here to my friend in another state. The only box I have is not big enough. So I need to go to the post office's website to find a box that's big enough to fit my skateboard. But I can't buy a box that's just really big because that's expensive and my skateboard would get beat up in the box. But I don't want to get a box that's too small either. Thankfully, on their website, they list the dimensions of the box. Today I'm going to show you what those letters and numbers mean and how to use a ruler and a tape measure to measure things so that we can find a box that fits my skateboard. This is a ruler, and you know it's a ruler because of a couple of things. It has two straight edges labeled with two different units of measurement. On one side it says inch for all of our inches, and on the other side it says cm or centimeters. Now, unless you live outside of the United States or you're a scientist, you're going to be using the inches side. So that's your very first step when you're measuring anything. You want to make sure you're using the inches edge. This is very important because there are only 12 inches on a ruler. So if you were to measure something with the ruler and you said it was 16 inches, you might have been using the wrong side. So make sure you're using the inches side. Did you know that 12 inches is the same as 1 foot? Because of its size, rulers are very useful for measuring things that are less than 1 foot. For example, you could use a ruler to measure a pen, or a key, or a mask, and even some water bottles because they're less than a foot. But something like this door maybe is a little bit too big, although technically you could use a ruler. Suitcase? Yeah, still too big. There are even parts of the skateboard that are a little too long for a ruler. Can you name 5 things that you can measure with the ruler and 5 things you can't? For things that are longer than a foot, you might see people use something called a yardstick or a tape measure, which are more fun because they do that. Most tape measures look a little different, but they'll sometimes tell you how much tape is inside. So remember how I said 1 ruler is equal to 1 foot? Well, this one has 25 of those rulers, or 25 feet. That's pretty long. While rulers are used for smaller projects, like if you're an architect drawing up a blueprint, or if you're a seamstress measuring fabric, or if you're building a picture frame out of wood, tape measures are used for much bigger things. You might see a contractor use one, or maybe a sculpturist, or maybe an engineer. If we go back to the skateboard, which tool do you think we'll use to measure how long it is? What about how tall it is? And what about how wide it is? If you're like me, you probably want to use the tape measure to measure how long it is, the ruler to measure how tall it is, and to measure how wide it is. Remember when I talked about dimensions? They list the dimensions. Now that we know a little bit more about the tools we can use to measure things in inches, we need to measure our item's dimensions. Think of the dimensions as the size of something. This is so we can find a box with similar dimensions, which means that the skateboard will fit in it. If you take a look at the dimensions, you'll see there are 3 important letters here: L, W, and H. Almost everything in the world comes in those 3 dimensions. L, which stands for length, which is how long something is. W, which stands for width, which is how wide something is. And H, which stands for height, which is how tall or how high something is. There are some things, like this die or other cubes, where the length and the width and the height are all the same. They're equal. Other things, like my skateboard, are longer than they are wide. These paper towels are taller than they are long. I want you to find 3 things around you and identify its dimensions: its length, its width, and its height. Then I want you to determine or decide which of its dimensions is greatest. Is it really long, wide, tall, or are all of its dimensions the same?